Good afternoon, my friends. We are going to learn how to draw a dot plot. So we'll start with a set of data. All right, so we have this set of data right here. And we're wanting to put it on. So now I have a line where I can put dots to represent each number. So I'm going to start with 0, and it looks like I don't have any zeros, so I'm just going to skip that. And then 1, I have 2 ones, so I'll do 2 dots. All right, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, my 3s, 1, 4s, 1, 2. 5s, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, and then no 7s. All right, so now I have turned this information into a visual representation. So this will easily allow me to see things like the mode, because I can see that 2 is the tallest and has the most dots. So I would say that is what repeated the most. So my mode is 2. It also shows me range very easily. All right, I can see my least data that has dots. It's not going to be 0 because 0 has no dots. There's no value of 0. And then my biggest is going to be 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So I could say my range is 5. So for me, the dot plot is so easy to tell mode and range. You can also tell median and mean, but you would just, if you were given this dot plot, you would just have to write them out like this. So you would write 2 1s, or 4 2s, 1 3, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, and then you would just write that out. And then you could find the mean and median that way. All right, when we talk about a dot plot being skewed. All right, so I can kind of see that the natural line of the graph looks like that. So I would say that this graph is skewed to the right because more of my numbers are over there on the left. So we're going to say skewed right because there are some numbers over here, but not as many as over here. All right, so think opposite. Wherever the most numbers are, if it's kind of like a mountain and then low, whatever side the low is on, that's what side you say. So if it was shaped like this would be skewed left because the lower part or most of the information is on the opposite side. So that would be skewed. All right, one more example of skew. So I would look at this and kind of say that more is on the right side. So I would say that this was skewed left. Okay, because most of our data is probably going to be more over here. So a lot of more of our central tendencies is going to be more to the right. So these numbers are kind of skewing that off, if you will. All right, so if you have something that looks like this, these are 3 different dot plots. All right, this looks more like a nice little mountain, so this would be symmetrical. All right, we have this one that is going down on the right side, so this would be skewed right. And then this last one, this is going to be lower here on the left side. So this is skewed left.